resolution in our musical phrases really helps us end songs, end phrases, punctuate the fact that a change is coming. And the cadence type that ends a phrase, a finished cadence, is going to take us back to our first or our one chord in the sequence. So in this case, we're in the key of G. So the G chord provides us with our starting position. We move through the fourth, then to the fifth, and when we're finishing our statement, we come right back to the first. And so we've resolved the thought or the phrase that we're doing. But from time to time, we'd really like to leave things a little differently. Maybe there's something more to come. And for this example, we're going to try not to go from the 5 to the 1 chord, but from the 5, rather unexpectedly, to a 6. And that 6 is going to make us expect something more to happen. Because we kind of get the feeling if it was going to end, we'd have gone back to the 1. And so this is a deceptive cadence. Rather than being a finished cadence, it's an unfinished cadence, and it kind of makes a little bit of a question, or perhaps the call that we're waiting for a response to. Any of these ideas all work with this concept, and it just gives us a way of musically driving where we want to go. These cadences are very powerful tools, and sometimes they get missed. I was at an open mic night the other day, and the musician played a beautiful song, but you could just see he was struggling to figure out how to end it. And so we want to always be looking at these cadences as a way to leave the audience with that resolution that they realize we've ended the song or we're ending the song. You may have seen this yourself. Sometimes music is going down, everything is going well, the singer has got the flow going, but you don't quite know when to clap, right? That didn't get resolved. And so we're always looking for that opportunity to pull the music to a close in a very well-defined way.